Hi guys everywhere. I will explain to you today how to substitute in a mathematical expression to get the value of subject of an equation, for example, or you can substitute in an expression like if it's a plus b, and when I give you the values of a and b, you can substitute to know what is the value of this expression, or we can use this to solve if it is an equation and I need to solve y, so you can tell me y equals a number after substituting. How to use this? Before we start, I will give you, for example, a equals 2, b equals 3. Then I will give you the first question, which is a plus b. What's a plus b? Now you will substitute. So now you know the values of a and b. A equals 2, put 2, then plus b equals 3. So now you know it's 5. Number 2, what's 2a plus 2b? 2a plus 2b. You will see here that a is multiplied by 2. So put this coefficient outside and replace a with its value, which is 2. But don't forget to put it in the bracket. It makes it easier. Then plus 2 and b equals 3. Sorry guys. Now 2 multiplied 2 is 4, plus 2 multiplied 3 is 6. Now this expression equals 10. And so on. You can find the different expressions and different values of a and b. But before we go to different examples, I need to remind you with operations on integers. For example, 2 multiplied 3 equals 6. Negative 2 multiply 3 equals negative 6. Negative 2 multiply negative 3. Or before we do this, I like another pattern. 2 multiply negative 3, negative 6. Then negative 2 multiply negative 3 is 6. If we have 5 minus 7, 7 minus 5, this is 2 and this is negative 2. We have 7 minus negative 5. As you know, this is minus and this is negative. When we have two negative signs consecutive, it means they are multiplied by each other. So we multiply negative by negative because the bracket, as you know, means multiplication. So in this case, this would be like if it was 7 plus 5, which is 12. And negative 7 minus 5, we have negative 7 and we lost another 5. So our lose is negative 12. This is the revision before we go to, it's somehow harder and it's not difficult. If a equals 2, b equals 3, c equals negative 2. Number 1, what's a multiply b plus a multiply c? Now substitute, put everything in a bracket. A, b plus a, c. A is 2, b is 3, plus ac, a is 2, c is negative 2. This is multiplication, it will give you 6, plus 2 multiply negative 2, it's negative 4. We have negative 4 here, and positive and negative signs will give us negative 4. Or you can write 6 plus negative 4. Okay. Don't think a lot about do we add or we subtract. If you have 6 and we lost negative 4, so the result would be 2. Don't think of addition or subtraction or make it hard for you. So now the answer is clear. It will be 6 minus 4. It will be 2. Number 2, if it was b squared minus 2c. In this case, b squared, put the value of b in a bracket. For example, it's 3 power 2 minus 2 multiply c, it's negative 2. Now 3 squared is 9. Negative 2 multiply negative 2, it will be positive 4, so the answer will be 13, and so on. You can use this to substitute and get the value of an expression. Okay, now we have a different how to form an expression, or an expression or a formula or an equation. For example, if I told you that to go to kids area with your little brother, and they take 20 pounds for the ticket, or then 15 pounds for each hour, per hour. So the total cost here, can you give me a formula for the total cost? The total cost here, it will be 15 for every hour, so we write 15h. This is how to write 15 per hour. 15 per hour. This is how we read this. 15 per hour plus 20 as a fixed or one-time fees. So if you spend 2 hours, it will be 15 multiply 2 plus the price of the ticket, which is 20. Now the total is 50. So we use substitution here after we form an equation or a formula of the total cost. Your question here, if the price of book is $2, what is the price of n books, or what is the formula of n books? As you think you are right, and I'm sure you are right, that the total cost will be the price of one book is 2. We multiply 2 by any number of books. So if we bought 1, it will be 2 multiply 1. If we wrote 2 books, it will be 2 multiply. If we wrote 3 books, we multiply 2 by 3. If we wrote or bought 4 books, we multiply the 2 by 4 to get the price of 4 books, which is 1 book. So we multiply 2 by the number of books. So this is your answer. Another example, if you have a deal with your father that every hour you study, he will give you 25 pounds, for example. So the total with you will be 25 per hour. So if you studied 3 hours, you multiply 25 by 3. You substitute the value of h by 3. And this is what what we did above by substituting the value of anything we need. Thank you for watching. I hope this is useful for you, and good luck in your exams.